debate pang reservation policy kalayat nakapor sa kapo pinpajap ki assembly pinpajap ki pajba pinpajap social media pinpajap ki breu ki chongi tambah kani kasi mana sudah par ngi ikaw baka post ka long time baka KSU ko ang ba 50% yung ka reserve seat ka de bendech ki khasi hen chantia hali ne kata kumno I just went into the comment section and I saw Garon Khasi people are arguing among each other. So my question is this supposed to be a fight between two communities or supposed to be a discussion about a policy? Because when you look at the reservation policy that was created in 1972, it was not designed based purely on population. And it was not designed to divide the people. It was meant to maintain regional and ethnic balance and to ensure that no community would dominate another community in government, jobs, administration, and so on and so forth, and opportunities too. The main important thing of reservation policy in that time, on 1972, it was created to address the backwardness of one community and to maintain the balance between the two communities. But today, more than 50 years later, Meghalaya has changed. Population has changed, education level has changed, opportunity has changed. So maybe the real question today is not which community deserve better or more, but the real question here is, are we still solving the problem of 1972 or the reality of 2026 today? Should policy created in 1972 remain exactly the same forever, or should they be reviewed with new data and discussion? I know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section.